It's catching up to us real quick here, man.
Yeah, it's like 25 miles an hour.
All right, now we're getting ahead of it a little ways. This is.
I want to know what was going on over there because there was a huge funnel cloud on that side of it. Did you see that?
That's what I'm saying. There were two storms, and they're side by side.
What is
This next exit.
Yeah, something's fucking happening over
This
there.
next exit, I would get off in this next exit if you can.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I would find this next exit and get off here. I can't until I get off here. It's going to go northeast of us if we can get off up here. Man, this is a really bad storm. We need to get out of here soon. Yeah, we need to get out of the way.
I don't think I've ever seen a storm look like that.
No, this is evil. This is just pure evil, dude.
The National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a tornado warning for northern Jackson.
I can't believe how quickly this caught up to us. You know what this is? This is turning into some kind of squall because this is going too fast for what it was doing earlier, dude. Oh my gosh, man. This is crazy. This is really nuts. I apologize for the bounciness of the camera.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, it looks awesome.
That's amazing.
Man,
That's absolutely amazing.
It's still right on top of us.
Well, we're not out of it yet. I can guarantee you that, dude. This thing is starting to overtake us now.
Everyone's flying.
It's beginning to overtake us.
This is just gotta be.
There's a semi. Hold on, this guy's getting over.
Try to see if you can see if there's anything going.
Sheila, can you see anything up the back?
Just all you can see is rain.
Oh my god, man. We gotta find... I would say take your next exit here. I gotta see what I can find what it is. It's gonna be in the city of Belvedere. Belvedere is your next exit. And that should be getting us enough ahead of it where we can stop and get some more video, I think. Man, I cannot believe how fast this thing is going, dude. You need to punch it. I'm serious. You need to go.
Really? Also,
Dude, it's right here. It's not. We're not gaining.
like all of a
We're not
sudden-
gaining any
yeah,
ground
like
on this thing at all.
sped up.
We're not gaining any ground,
Why
dude.
did you tell me to punch it? I can't see that.
Oh yeah, we need to go. We need to go. It's overtaking the people behind us. Put it that way. You look in the rearview mirror.
Yeah, it's like a traffic jam back there.
Dude, it's swallowing it. It's swallowing everything behind us.
Going at 90 miles an hour. Still not on.
Good. Get to Belvedere. Dude, the thing's got to be traveling 60 miles an hour. We're starting to get ahead of it now, which is good. And there's a rapid rotation going on back here now. Look at this, Eric.
Oh my god, look at how fast it's rotating.
Look at the motion in this stuff, man. It's crazy. Oh, I know. It's ridiculous. Look at that, Eric. Look right up above us, too. Dude, arc all the way around this thing once.
Wow, yeah, look at right there. Look right there.
Oh, look at the turnip sticking out of the end.
Holy shit.
Dude, this is...
Look at it, right here.
There's a lot of motion, man. Look at this motion all over. Look at this stuff. It's just crazy. Man, it's not tornadic, but it's going to be damn evil in just a minute here.
Actually, yeah, pretty soon we're gonna have to fucking get out of here.
Real quick here. You ready, Sheila?
Holy cow. Yeah.
Just videotape for just a minute, Eric.
We're gonna get pounded here in a
Right
second.
there. Look at it.
Here, go. Take the camera. I don't know if it's still
Shoot it.
recording or not.
It is.
Oh shit. Look at everyone's just flying out of here.
Go. Look at right up here, Eric, right in front of you. Look at right in front of you.
Oh my god, right there.
Oh my god, look at it. The whole
Holy
thing is
shit.
That's it right there. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the wind coming.
God, hold on to all this stuff.
Oh shit. Go. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Dude, right here. Look at right there.
Holy crap!
You seen this, Sheila?
Yeah.
Are you seeing this right here?
This is a tornado.
Yeah, it's about to be. Holy cow. It's going all different directions, isn't it?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know, but it's coming down. It's coming down.
Is it? Oh my god, are you getting that on film?
I'm sure you've gotten several reports already, but near the town of Belvedere, there's a rapidly rotating wall cloud with a possible funnel. Thank you.
Are you getting that on video?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yes, I just wanted to report that there is a rapidly rotating wall cloud near the town of Belvedere, dropping several funnels. They're not touching the ground at this time, but I know that there is a large-scale, severe weather event going on right now. But there are several funnels dropping from the rotating wall cloud here. Oh my god. Just east of Belvedere, it's moving rather rapidly. It's moving very quickly off to the east-northeast from the town of Belvedere. We're following it right along the highway. We're on 80, right?
I-90.
We're right along I-90. It's paralleling us along I-90. It's moving very rapidly, and it's rotating very rapidly.
If it hurt the camera.
Correct. Chris Partika. It's moving extremely rapidly. 612-226-6832. Oh, right there. Look at right in the center, Sheila.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
it's a smooth. Look at. You got to look at it once. It's just a cone coming out right there, right in the middle of it. Look at right in the middle of it. You see it? Right in the dead center of it. You see it, Sheila?
Yep, I see it. Yeah, it's still.
I think there's multiple areas of rotation going on. You'll see on the video. Don't worry about that. If you walk 1 mile, get off here. You're going to have a great vantage point. Oh, it's 1880 time.
That's not a ground over there. Oh yeah.
Lance Bound. Well, a localized area like that, oh, look at that, dude. That is just sick. So take us all in Murdo. No, we're safe for now. We're clear for now, dude. That's amazing out there. That is oh, man, it is. Right now, it's doing 80. It's keeping up with us. Hey, Sheila? Buckled in, Sheila? Alright, good. Here. Hold on, we gotta slow down, man. We're gonna have to let it catch us. We're gonna get caught. Hold on, I got the window. Ah, son of a bitch. We're gonna get caught. Right in the outflow. We're caught. Ah, fuck, dude, we're hammered. Now we're up to 90, and this damn thing has caught us. Holy crap, man. 100. Now we're ahead of it. You can feel the wind stop.